Hey y'all, it's SubiFae, and I got a special little unboxing video for you guys today. What is that, you may ask? I've been wanting one of these since I heard about them, and they had a vendor at my mall, so I got a Labubu finally. And this is the Big Into Energy series. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of them, but I really want a purple or a green one, just because those are my favorite colors and that would be freaking dope. But honestly, I'd be happy with any of them. So yeah, I guess let's get into this. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna have you guys look at it. Is it purple? Oh no. Okay. There. Is it purple? Is it green? Am I even pointing it at the right area? Okay, is it purple or is it green? Is it what I want? I'm scared. It's the blue one! Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so the blue one, hold up, let's see what it comes with. Okay. Oh, so the blue one is Hope. I love that. You are adorable. Look at your little face. Yes, his head's like a little deformed. There we go. Oh, look at it. This creature is so freaking cute. And I love the little clothes you can get for them too.